That's the million-dollar question everybody's thinking about. How will the workplace differ in the future? And we usually look at three phases: respond, return, and reinvent. And you are alluding to that reinvent phase, the most challenging opportunity perhaps we have, because we are not going back. We are going somewhere else. And mental health and well-being will be key principles of a good return to work. We need to make sure that we find a way of a good return to work. And we see in research that employers who acted swiftly actually had business benefits from it. It's very clear that when you look at the long-term impact on the share price of companies who coped with any form of crisis well in history, that it has a hugely beneficial effect on them. And in this context now, sharing the caring phase of the organization isn't about giving people the odd day off or the chance to take part in a one-off mindfulness workshop. It's much more about thinking employers must re-engineer the workplace around human needs instead of continuing to ask people to fit their lives around work. We want to ask, can we keep our people safe? Do people have realistic targets? Are they allowed to control their workflow and deadlines to reduce stress? Do they have the opportunity to take breaks, exercise? Do they have the opportunity to bring their personal key strengths to work every day, and similar questions? And what I have learned from design thinking in business planning is that you should design, for instance, an office space with extreme users in mind, when you will automatically cover the large majority in the middle as well. So we need to think about physical, mental, social well-being, and design a fresh approach based on the data about people's needs and personalization of benefits, and making the workplace more engaging and authentic, if you like. Only if it's fun and engaging, people can successfully change unhealthy behaviors. And the influence of the environment and community on behavior change has been underestimated recently, and is back with a vengeance as people rediscover the importance of culture and social interaction.